This is part 2 of 3 videos on how to tell time. In part 1, we talked about what time is. In this video, we'll explore how hours and minutes work. Let's start with the hour hand. The hour hand is the shortest hand on the clock and will show us what hour we are in. Remember that there are 12 hours on a clock. 12 from the early morning until the afternoon, or AM, and 12 from the afternoon until late at night, or PM. The hour hand and the other hands on a clock move from left to right, or clockwise. Every time an hour passes, the hour hand moves on to a new number, and that becomes the hour that we are in. Like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each hour on the clock has an area that is just for itself. When the hour hand is anywhere in this area, then that is the hour that we are in. This is 2. This is also 2. And so is this. What hour is this? 7. And so is this. And this. Remember, the hours space is the area after the number and right up until the next number. So, now that we know what the hour is, it's time to find out the minutes. The minutes are shown by the minute hand. The minute hand is longer than the hour hand. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The minute hand also moves from left to right, or clockwise, and every time it passes the 12 at the top of the clock, another hour has passed. Like this: 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. The first thing we need to learn about is half hours, or when it is halfway past the hour. For example, when we say it is 4:30 or 11:30. When it is half past the hour, the minute hand is pointing straight down, and if you color in the clock from the top to the bottom in the direction that the minute hand moves, you can see that it divides the clock into 2 halves, or 2 half hours. Let's put the minute hand together with the hour hand and see how that works. The clock now says that it is 3:30. How do we know this? Look closely. The hour hand is in the 3 area, and the minute hand is pointing straight down to 6. So the hour is 3, and the minute hand has gone halfway around the clock, so 3:30. Let's try another. The clock now says that it is 11:30. How does that work? Look closely. The hour hand is in the 11 area, and the minute hand is pointing straight down to 6. So the hour is 11, and the minute hand has gone halfway around the clock, so 11:30. In the next video, we'll explore how to say the time, including 1/2 past, 1/4 past, and 1/4 to.